Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Jordan.
And this is our Newton's Law project.
Enjoy. We interviewed people about Newton's third laws, and this is what they said.
Okay, does a speeding baseball have force?
Yes.
No. Force isn't something an object possesses.
You gotta tell them
the
why.
baseball only exerts a force when it hits something. Okay, next question. Can things like floors, car tires, and water exert forces? Yes. Good job. Is heavier to accelerate, lighter or heavier objects of mass? Lighter. Wrong. Heavier. Mass resists acceleration. Ooh. Okay, what is this law?
The first law.
Let's say there is a car driving on the road. What are the action and reaction?
A car driving, okay, I'd probably just watch it go by.
It's the action is tire pushing on car, and reaction is road pushing on tire.
And then,
What is inertia?
oh, I know this one too. I forget.
What is harder to accelerate, a lighter or a heavier object of mass?
What were the options?
What is harder to accelerate, a lighter or heavier object of mass?
They'd actually be equal.
Wrong. Heavier object mass resists acceleration.
Thanks.
What is Newton's third law?
To every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Good job.
Does a speeding baseball have force?
No.
Good job. Okay, can things like floors, car tires, and water exert forces?
Yes.
Because non-living things can exert forces. A force is a mutual interaction between objects. What is inertia?
No.
Okay.
Can things like floors, car, tires, and water exert forces?
Yes.
Okay. Does a speeding baseball have force?
A speeding baseball, yes.
No. Force isn't something an object possesses. The baseball only exerts a force when it hits something.
Oh, okay.
Let's say there is a car driving on the road. What are the action and reaction?
What is the action and reaction? Well, there's action when you put your foot on the accelerator or the brake, there's action, right? Okay? There's
Action.
friction on the road from the tires. Okay?
The action is tire push on car, and reaction road pushes on tire.
Okay. So I got the tire and the road thing a little bit, didn't I?
Yeah, kind of. What is inertia?
Inertia is, I think it's like the movement, the forward motion, or the movement of something.
It's an object at rest tends to stay at rest. An object in motion
Motion
tends to
tends to
stay.
stay in motion. I didn't know that.
What is harder to accelerate? A lighter or heavier object of mass?
What's harder to accelerate, a lighter or
A heavier.
heavier? I think this is a trick question. So is the heavier one harder to accelerate?
Yeah, because the mass resistance for
Right.
acceleration.
Okay.
What is Newton's third law?
I have no clue. Give me a hint.
To every action.
There is an equal and opposite reaction.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Okay, go.
Can things like floors, car tires, and water exert forces?
Yes. Yes.
Does a speeding baseball have force?
If it hits something.
Nice job. You're a beast. Okay.
You're beast.
Let's say there's a car driving on the road. What are the action and reaction?
Is the action the tire hitting the ground, and the reaction is the ground hitting the tire?
Nice. Gosh, you're an animal. Okay. What is inertia?
I want to say it's something like the energy or force something emits.
An object at rest tends to stay at rest. An object in motion tends to stay.
Okay.
Okay. What is harder to accelerate, a lighter or heavier object of
Say
mass?
more attendance, Sylvia.
To accelerate. I
Hello.
would go with lighter.
Heavier objects. Can things like floors, car tires, and water exert forces?
Well, water definitely can. Car tires, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you got it right. Nice job. Does a speeding baseball have force?
Definitely. Been hit by a speeding softball.
No, force isn't something an object possesses. The baseball only exerts a force when it hits something.
Okay.
Let's say there is a car driving on the road. What are the action and the reaction?
I guess the action is the car moving. It's action, and the reaction is the air that moves around it.
What is inertia?
Inertia. It's a force that's built up, and then it's kind of after whatever was making the movement is no longer pushing it. It's what's left. Okay.
What is harder to accelerate, lighter or heavier object of mass?
Lighter.
It's heavier object of mass. Is Newton's third law?
What's what?
What is Newton's third law?
Newton's third law, no idea.
There you go.
Can things like floors, car tires, and water exert forces? Nice job. You got it right. Does a speeding baseball have a force? No, force isn't something an object possesses.
Just kidding. Did you have a quarter?
No.
What is inertia?
Inertia is inertia is it's like the mass of it's how much an object can take up.
Things like floors, car tires, and water exert forces.
Yes.
Does a speeding baseball have force? No.
I hope you enjoyed Jordan and I's production of Newton's Laws.